The best way to get the most accurate monitoring results even faster is to authorize your social media channels in Senti1. Account authorization is very easy. Simply go to the Accounts tab to connect your Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Discuss, or Facebook profiles. Click the icon of the selected social channel, then enter your login credentials, follow the steps as instructed, and confirm your choice. As you can see, my account is already authorized. You should know that account authorization is available to owners and administrators of social media channels. Plus, it's completely safe. No passwords are downloaded during the process, and Senti1 does not collect or store your login data.